In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send videos on Gmail mobile. So once you've located the Gmail app on your phone, you want to go ahead and open it up. Now you're in the Gmail app and you can see at the bottom right it says compose with a little pencil icon. You tap on compose, then you want to type where you want to send the video to. So I'm just going to send it to myself, and then you want to tap on the little paperclip icon at the top, and then you want to attach a file. Then I'm going to go ahead and choose videos on my phone. It's going to bring up all my videos. I'm just going to select this one over here. You can give it a subject. So I'm just going to write test video and test as the body of the email. You can see the video is attached. It's 3.6 megabytes, and you want to just make sure it's going to be sent to the correct person. Then you want to tap on the little send icon at the top of the page over there. You tap on send, and now the video has been sent. So that is how you send videos on Gmail mobile. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.